Hi, it's Kid Alowitz. Welcome to another video segment for the Leadership Journey. In a moment, I'd like to introduce Trammell Wright. He's going to be talking today about feedback, the art and science of giving and reacting to feedback. Now, I'm particularly interested in feedback. We've been on this idea of how do we feel comfortable giving feedback and reacting to feedback for well over a year and a half on the journey. We've written papers on it, we've had breakout sessions, we've asked you to think about what you think about. We're trying to get to the far side of complexity of what is feedback? Why is it such a conundrum to ask us to give anonymous, or we're trying to get away from anonymous, but give feedback unsolicited? And I'm not sure where we got there. I think the data we collected suggested that it's actually wiser if you, me, I ask for feedback and then rely on you to have the tenacity and the commitment to want to give that feedback. So Trammell's going to talk about it in terms of where he's been with this idea of feedback, and I'm challenging you to continue the journey, because somewhere on the far side of craziness, us nailing this idea of giving feedback is going to substantially increase the probability of us getting to preeminence. Let me introduce to you Trammell Wright.
So I'm here to talk to you about a couple of things that I've learned when asking others for feedback. So there's actually four. So the first one is being positive. I mean, your heart has to be in the right place. Your mind has to be in the right place. And understand that the person was really taking the time out to help you. I mean, so what you want to do is try to think about how that feedback can help you help yourself, your department, and ultimately our organization. The second thing I've learned is to have some gratitude. I mean, just be thankful that the person really took that time to sit there with you and go through it, regardless if it was going to be a positive outcome or a negative outcome. I mean, if you really think about it, they took a risk. They took a risk that completely landslide the relationship, because they don't really know how you're going to take the information that they're giving you. And then lastly, it's you. I mean, it really, really, really is about you. What you do with the information, leadership journey. We all said we were all in. We all said that we would do whatever it takes to make this monumental shift. So please be a part of making Indris and Hauser a better place. Take feedback. If you can use any of this information, take it to heart. Do the right things with it. Knock it out the park. Bye, NH family.